This video will walk you through how to use the group registration function. When using the group registration function, there are a few necessary steps to take that will ensure a smooth registration process for you and your registrants. The first of these is to enable the group registration function within your events task list. To enable the group registration function, click through the Build Design Your Form and Website and then Event Properties. Then find Edit Manage Group Registration and click that to open up the group registration settings. To enable group registration for your event, simply check the Enable Group Registration checkbox. To help streamline the group registration process, you can have the group administrator's information carry over each time a new group member is added. This is ideal when a single administrator is adding multiple registrants from a single group and you want to speed up the process for them. If you have a limit to the number of attendees that can be in a group, enter that number in the third setting and click Save. Once you have set our initial group registration settings, you can add rules. Rules allow you to provide discounts based on group size or limit the number of times a fee can be used in a group. Create as many rules as you'd like. Rules can be added at any time during a live event. Once you have created a rule, be sure to click Create Rule for it to save. Once you have set up your group registration rules, you will now need to set up your two confirmation emails for your groups. The first is your group administrator email, and the second is your regular confirmation email. The group administrator email will only be sent once the second person in a group is registered. Using the group administrator email is ideal if you have information that you only want sent to the group administrator and not the rest of your attendees in the group. The regular confirmation email should be used, as it always is, to send all registrants their confirmation and additional event information. This email will also be sent to the group administrator. There is an optional third email that we advise setting up. That is the Change of Group Administrator email. This email is sent when the group administrator moves the role of group administrator from themselves to another registrant. Use this email to inform the new administrator of the change and include any relevant group administrator information for them. From a registrant's perspective, the process of registering as a group is very easy. After a registrant completes their registration, they will land on their confirmation page as they normally would. However, when group registration is enabled, there is another button that will appear on this page labeled Register Another Person. We recommend adding information to your thank you page to let the first registrant know that they can send this page's URL to their group members and add themselves to the group. When the Register Another Person button is clicked, the registrant is brought back to the registration form to add another person to the group. If you have chosen to carry over the group administrator's information to each new registration in a group, then that information will be pre-populated on the form. Of course, should the registrant want to override this information, they can do so by typing over it. The last item in the group registration that you should be aware of is the reporting. To view a group, click on the Groups report and then Registrant Details of a group. If you would like to look at the full registrant list, you can simply click the Registrations link from the report summary as you would normally, and all of your registrants will be listed as individuals. You are now ready to set up and use group registration.